Hi everyone, today we will learn multiplication with rational numbers with this video. Firstly, you need to check your knowledge about some previous topics. By this way, you can easily understand the main idea of this video. Let's remember, you have learned multiplication with fractions, so please don't be scared. Multiplication with rational numbers is very similar to multiplication with fractions. Let's look at the area model. We want to multiply 2 over 3 and 1 over 4. If we direct the model of 1 over 4 on the model of 2 over 3, we will get the common shaded area. This common shaded area represents the result of our operation, which is 2 over 12. Do you remember? Also, if we multiply numerators and denominators with each other, we will easily get the result. You have learned multiplication with integers. You know how to decide the sign of the result. If we multiply two positive integers, we will get a positive integer. If we multiply one positive and one negative integer, we will get a negative integer. What about multiplying two negative integers? Yes, I can hear you. Multiplying two negative integers also brings a positive integer. There is no difference among these three representations of negative rational numbers. All of them are equal to each other. The place of negative sign does not change the value of this rational number. If you remember the issues that I mentioned, it is time to start learning multiplication with rational numbers. Look at the examples. What if we multiply 1 over 5 and 3 over 4? I want you to decide first the sign of the result. Since two of these rational numbers are positive, the result will be positive. Then we should multiply 1 and 3 and write it as a numerator of the result. Finally, we should multiply 5 and 4 and write it as a denominator. We get 3 over 20. What do you think about this one? Now, we want to multiply negative 1 over 5 and positive 3 over 4. What will be the result? You are right, the answer will be negative. Since the numbers are the same with previous example, we will get negative 3 over 20. Lastly, if we multiply negative 1 over 5 and negative 3 over 4, the answer will be positive again, like we did in multiplication with integers. Now, it's your turn. Please stop the video and do the solutions. Then check your answers from the video. First one is positive 10 over 49. Second one is negative 3 over 32. Last one is positive 40 over 77. Now I want to show something different. In this example, we multiply 5 over 8 and 4 over 7. Like the other examples, we will do the same steps. We get the answer 20 over 56. I want to ask a question. Think about your knowledge of fractions again. What do you notice about our answer? What can we do with this result? Maybe some of them are saying we can do simplification. That is true. Simplification makes mathematics easier. If we divide both numerator and denominator with 4, we will get 5 over 14. On the other hand, we can do simplification before finding the solution. If we divide 4 and 8 with 4 while doing multiplication, we get the same answer again. What if one or two of the rational numbers are negative while doing multiplication? Yes, at this point, only the sign of results may change. We can do simplification while doing multiplication with rational numbers. Stop the video and show yourself. I prepared some examples for you. Please try to do and check your answers with me. Come on, I will show you the solutions. But be careful, these are the possible solutions. You can simplify while doing your operations, or you can simplify your results at the end of your operations. Please take a look. What do you think about these examples? Are there any difference between these and previous ones? Maybe you saw that these new ones include both improper fraction and mixed number. But we don't need to change our solution strategy. Let's try to solve together. For the first one, we will do the same steps. We have improper fraction in the operation, but it doesn't matter. I think you already decided the sign of your answer, which is negative. We will multiply numerators and denominators with each other, and then we will simplify them with both 19 and 9. Our answer is negative 3 over 2. In the second one, we have a mixed number. Since the improper fraction didn't change our solution steps, we should convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. Now our operation is 7 over 4 times 16 over 28. Then we will simplify them with both 7 and 4. I think we are done. What do you think? Oh yes, we can do one last simplification with dividing both numerator and denominator with 4, because we know 4 over 4 is equal to 1. Please convert mixed numbers to improper fractions while doing multiplication. I want to solve a problem with you. Ali have 24 toy cars. 3/8 of them are red. So, how many red toy cars Ali have? I know this is an easy problem and you are familiar with these kinds of problems, but I want to remind some points. To solve the problem, we should multiply 24 and 3 over 8. Since 24 is an integer, we should write it as a fraction. All integers have a denominator which is 1, so 24 over 1 is our new multiplier. Now we can do this simple multiplication. We should do simplification by 8 to find the answer. 9 over 1 is the result, but the 1 at the denominator is not necessary. By this way, we found the number of red toy cars of Ali, which is 9. If you multiply a rational number with an integer, you should write 1 as a denominator of this integer. I have a question. Look at these operations. What do you notice about them? Yes, you are saying that they have same multipliers with a different order. So the result of these operations should be the same, which is negative 4 over 15. Multiplication with rational numbers have commutative property. You can multiply the rational numbers in any order. We will continue with last examples. Please stop the video and try to find the answers. For the first one, you should do the simple multiplication. Please simplify your result. For the other ones, I just want you to find the unknown rational numbers. While finding them, please be careful of the signs. Come on and check your answers. First one is 20 over 2. Second one is negative 2 over 5. And last one is positive 14 over 3. Because we multiply one positive and one negative rational numbers. Find the area of this rectangle. Try to solve and check with me. How can we find the area of the rectangle? Yes, we should multiply the side lengths. I can see that you convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions before doing multiplication. If we multiply these two rational numbers, we will find the area, which is 110 over 7. What did we learn? Come on and check your understanding with me. While doing multiplication with rational numbers, we should multiply numerators and denominators with each other. We can do simplification by dividing both numerator and denominator with the same number. We should convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. We should write 1 as a denominator of the multiplier, which is integer. We can multiply in any order, because multiplication with rational numbers have commutative property. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn more about this topic, please do not forget to watch other related videos. Now you can come with me and participate in the problem solving part.